All right, boys, so right now we're just gonna take this trailer and we're gonna drop it off in the back of the field with the donkeys, and then after we do that, we're gonna try to clean this truck out a little bit. But hopefully I'm gonna get this turned around real quick and I'll be back. You guys can see if anybody wanted a barn find, huh? Anybody want a square body? Man, just motor runs, transmission's blown. So if anybody wants a square body, hit me up and you might find the right one. But yeah, we're still in the middle of dropping this. I just don't really want to get out. It's so hot. Boys, what are we doing here? I'll be back. Four-wheel drive is engaged. Now we're gonna go park this trailer over so Dad doesn't see it. You ready? Just gonna put it right here like nothing ever happened. And I'll be back with you in a second. Boys, it's so hot. Ready? Here's the culprit. We were riding last weekend, literally yesterday. And Big Bertha, she needs a bath, bro. But it's okay. It's okay. Need some more mud tires too, because these are getting fucked. But anyways, look how clean this truck is for 08. It's crazy. I got a good steal. Park this over the burnout hole. There's that square body again if anybody wants to hit me up. And here's a montage.
One-on-one bitch at 18. One-on-one never again. One-on-one. Don't get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W.
Yes, and I cannot get my GPS. My name is.
I don't know. All right. Yeah, he said motor. What's up? He was coming to my house. Oh. And he just called me and said his truck broke down. And then he tells me it's on fire, so. Ah, dude. Anyways, so you guys seen where my truck blew up? Yeah, I was driving down the road and the truck shut off and the motor locked up, and I was like, what in the world? And I pushed my brakes wasn't working, so I put on my flashers and I put the truck in neutral and I put it in parked it, and then smoke started coming through my vents, and I got out. I was like, oh my god. I get out, I go to the front of my truck, then I open the hood and it just goes whoosh, and fire is going everywhere, and I'm like, oh my god. So I grab my tuner, I grab my air compressor, I grab my Oakleys, whatever I can, and I just throw it in the ditch, and then I run, and there was nothing I could do. It was already engulfed. And so yeah, it's kind of funny how I said it needed a bath and then it got burned to the ground. If you guys watch this whole thing, man, at least leave me a like, subscribe, and we're going to be coming out with a new build list. We're going to find a new truck and we're going to be absolutely grinding it out like that truck, and we're going to be doing the best we can to get it looking the best we can, you know what I mean? If you guys want to see a new build coming and the comeback of the century, guys, hit that follow button and leave a comment down below saying let's go or something, man. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.